Hi, come on in. So for those of you who already received the invite, you will know that over this weekend we're gonna have an open house. Now I am in the unit itself to give you a little bit of sneak peek of what to expect. I'm gonna be over here over the weekend to answer any question or any inquiries you have regarding designs, from choosing the right colors for your unit or the art piece to complement it. Or if you would want, we can even talk about the type of furniture that we're gonna have to offer you. If you like what I'm wearing, as you can see, we already translated into the mood of this unit. So if you don't like anything that you see, please also book your appointment. It's because we're going to have a team here to show you various design templates or design sort of concepts to show you, and I'm very sure we're going to have a very nice session to go through all of them and finding the right one for you. Over to you.
Now, while Denver is passionate about interior design part, I will be sharing more with you on how you can actually spend a little bit on your ID, whether it's for own stay or rental, right? It's still going to be cozy, comfortable. And as for investment part, where you need to get your tenant in, I'll be sharing with you more on how you can actually get a tenant in as soon as possible when your unit is done up. So there are going to be a lot of prizes, giveaway, freebies that we're giving out this weekend, and I hope to see you there. And then we'll really say that we are going to have something even more special this weekend.
Yeah, the biggest prize that we're giving out as a bonus to you, we are giving out a whole complete home makeover for you. So all you need to do is just book a session and you get a chance to win. You don't have to pay anything, you get a home renovation. So remember to book your slot.